Hello friends, this is Veronica from House of Cid. You know what time it is. It's cafecito time, and today's cafecito is a review of the limited edition Cafezinho do Brasil. So make sure you stick around and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit the notifications, and as always, give us a thumbs up. Okay, stay tuned. This is Veronica from House of Cid, where we make videos on coffee reviews, coffee recipes, coffee adventures, and all things from the wonderful world of coffee. And today's coffee is the very anticipated, well, I was anticipating this, Nespresso Cafezinho do Brasil. This is a new one that was just released, not maybe a week or two ago. I have been doing my Reviving Origins videos, so I've been waiting to finish those before I reviewed this one. I did pick this one up when I went to the Nespresso boutique store at the Newport Beach. I think it's called Newport Fashion Island Mall. If you haven't seen that video, you could watch it. I'll link it. I just did a little visit of the store and showed you what the store looks like. But yeah, I got this coffee and I'm excited to try it. And also, I haven't mentioned it a lot here, but I have like maybe once or twice months ago. I started another channel. Actually, that was my first channel that I had in 2009, and I just didn't do anything with it. And then I started this channel. So now I'm going back to my original channel where I'm doing videos about fashion, shopping. I'm doing hauls, unboxings, and all that kind of fun stuff. And one of the things I shared in that video was my yellow tag find from Marshall's. If you don't know, Marshall's sometimes has these Starbucks capsules for Nespresso Original and some other brands, but I found this one for $1, you guys. Right now they have their not clear the rack. They have their yellow tag clearance going on, and you could find some great deals on coffee and other items. And yeah, I only found one, but I was excited because, Starbucks for $1, why not? 10 cents a coffee, I'm all about that. So if you're interested, I'll link that also. Go watch my other channel where I'm showing you all kinds of other fun stuff that's not about coffee. So let's get into it. Let's see what this is about. I didn't try this one last year. I know it was released last year. I tried the Cafecito de Cuba and Puerto Rico, which I loved. But this one I didn't get to try, so I'm excited to try it this year. Let's see, it says, an intense espresso inspired by Brazilians' love of their cafezinho, which is coffee, I guess, in Portuguese. A pleasantly bitter blend of Arabica beans from Cerrado, Minas Gerais and Espírito Santo. Enhanced by dulce pulped bourbon from Camo de Minas and Pocos de Caldas. I guess these are the locations where they're from. A velvety texture cup with unexpected upfront walnut and sandalwood. Ooh, sandalwood again. Which one was it? The Uganda had the sandalwood. So let's see. Espresso displays unique herbal notes reminiscent of thyme and rosemary. Sandalwood, thyme, rosemary. Are you sure this is coffee? Nespresso? Okay, let's try it. See, this is what an espresso does. I'm thinking limited edition. It's going to open up in the front like the other ones for the Reviving Origins. Nope, this one opens up here. Okay, so the box has some of the Brazilian colors in it, the green and the yellow. This is what the cup looks like, the capsule looks like. And this is only for original line. This capsule was only made for the original line machines. We don't get it in the virtual. I don't know why, but we don't. So that's what it looks like. The capsule, just, it has the yellow, which is pretty, with the green coffee bean, and it says cafezinho. So let's try it. Oh, this is a let's see, where did it go? Here it is. They do recommend you drink it as an espresso, and it's an intensity 9. You guys can see that. Intensity 9. So that's pretty bold. Let's brew it. Ooh. Oh my God, the scent of this coffee is really, really good. I could smell it right off the bat that it's going to be bold and intense. It doesn't really have a recommendation on how to drink it, but a lot of, coffees from South America, I know like Capsule de Cuba and Puerto Rico, a lot of them recommend it like with milk or, so we're going to try that. Okay. So that's what it looks like. That's dark, you guys. That is a dark coffee. Okay, I'm not getting any of the, let's see what it said. No herbal notes reminiscent of thyme and rosemary. I'm not really getting like herbally notes as far as the scent of it, but let's taste it. Ooh, this is a dark one. This one's strong. I do get like herb. You know what it's reminded me of? If you guys haven't watched the video where I did the Peru is organic and very earthy. I'm getting like earthy notes with this one. Yeah, I'm getting the herbally earthy notes. Not bad. It's not like in a bad way earthy notes, but it is very distinct. So yeah, it's different. Oh yeah, very earthy. Very. You know what? It's almost like. Have you guys ever had the Irish butter, the Irish grass-fed butter? I bought some and I tried it and I didn't care for it because you could actually taste the grass in the butter. This is giving me grass-fed butter notes. Okay, it's not bad. It's definitely not my favorite from the limited edition coffees from South American or Latin American countries. Definitely not my favorite. It's not awful, but it does have a strong earthy herbal taste to it. Okay, I'm gonna try it with milk and see how that will taste. I'm going to froth some, just 2% milk, and then we'll make another shot and see how that tastes. Okay, so stick around. Another thing that I wanted to do was I've had a few people ask me in the comments about the temperature of coffee, and I've never had a thermometer, so I got one from the Marshall's yellow tag clearance, and I said let's try it. So I'll do that because I know some people are interested in. So we're going to test the temperature. I have never actually done this. No perfection here. I have never tested the temperature of the coffee in any of my videos. I know a lot of people are interested in that. So, yeah, let's see. Because some of you love your coffee super duper hot. Okay, so about 163, 164. It's giving me the alert because the max is 160. I think this is meant more for like to test out your meat when you cook, but that's okay. It'll do the trick. So about 160 to 63 was the temperature of this coffee. So yeah, that's pretty hot. Okay, I have my froth milk. I'm gonna put it in here. Some little bit of foam. It's probably about 4 ounces. And we're not gonna waste our first shot. I'm gonna put it in there. Second shot. And I've come to learn that when it comes to the coffee, I need 2 shots. Even when I make a latte or a cappuccino or anything, 1 shot's really not going to be enough. So let me know if that's something that interests you, measuring the temperature of the coffees, because I will definitely start to do that. This is the first time I've ever done it because, like I said, somebody had asked me, and now I could go back and let that person know in the comments. Okay, let's try it. 2% milk in the frother with 2 shots of Cafezinho de Brasil. That's good. You definitely get almost like a little sweetness with this. Yeah, that's pretty good. I don't know. I don't know where the sweetness is coming from. Could be from, it says, oh, bourbon, enhanced by dulcet pulped bourbon from Camo de Minas. Okay, maybe a little bit of the bourbon sweetness, walnut, sandalwood. I'm getting a little hint of sweetness. I didn't put any sugar. I didn't put any syrup. Just 2% froth milk with the 2 shots of the Brazil. That's good. Definitely like it better with milk. Kind of like a latte or frappuccino. What am I thinking of? A latte or a cappuccino. On its own, it wasn't my favorite. It's good, but I think for the price, well, plus this. I'm not even sure how much I paid for this. Was, oh, okay, it wasn't too expensive. $9 for the box, so 90 cents. Not too bad for being a limited edition coffee. So give it a try if you're interested in trying it. Single shot without milk, creamer, sugar, just a straight up shot. I didn't care for it that much. It was too earthy, too like almost grassy to me. Let me know if that's the flavors you got. But with milk, it's pretty good. I'm gonna try it with some of that sweet creamer I have that I showed in my other video. I'm gonna try it with that and see how I like it. But it's good for the price. I definitely think you should try it, because some of the other limited editions are $20 a box, and it's kind of hard sometimes to buy these for $20 and then they're not that good, or you're a little disappointed. But for $9, not bad. Not super expensive. Give it a try. Let me know what you think. So good. Yeah, it makes a big difference. It amazes me how the flavor changes so much when you add creamer, milk, or sugar. Some of them, it enhances the flavor, and it's really, really delicious. But anyways, that's all I have for you guys. This one is a maybe. I will keep drinking this, trying it other ways. It's not my favorite of the limited editions, but it's not the worst. I think so far for me, the worst coffee I've had from Nespresso that I just really didn't care for or like, and definitely won't be buying again, was the La Cumplida Refinada. That one was a big thumbs down. But this one is maybe. Yeah, not bad. Not the best, but not bad. Let me know what you think. Let me know your thoughts, if you've tried it, or if you're interested in trying it. If maybe now you'll try that I've done a review. Leave me a comment. As always, you guys, if you enjoy these videos, give them a thumbs up, share them with your friends and family members that love coffee. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and I will be announcing the winner of my summer giveaway. I'll probably just do it in the community tab. I don't want to do like a whole video because it's just a little fun giveaway. But yeah, we'll see you guys next week and talk to you soon. Bye.